Hi everyone, welcome back to my studio. I am trying to finish up this painting. I always wanted to paint a train, and when I saw this I said this is it. So I have some finishing touches to do, and join me, okay? So here we go. I'm trying to finish up the bottom of the train, and just follow me, okay? Thanks. I'm just putting in some black along the track line to show that the ground extended over the track line on the sides. And then I'll blend in the snow with it so you can see the difference. I'll just drag it down a little more, not too much, because the snow really covers it. And just to give an indentation that a track line is there. Because the white from the smoke and the steam, everything is just going to be covered. But it just gives a illusion, if I want for a better word, that something is there. While that is drying, I am going to paint on the left side. I need a little more white here to bring in, so I'm going to just gently bring in some white to tone it down a little and let it blend a little better. I know you probably can't see because my hand is in the way, but I'll remove my hand shortly. It's coming along, it's a little toned down. I'll turn this a little more so you can see. And I will just go along here, just to do a little blend in there. I'm going to use another brush and spread it a little more evenly. Just a little bit, and blend it back into the other color. That's an itsy bitsy. A little bit more. That's more like it. Okay, I'm not 100% satisfied, so I go a little more. So it's like hidden, transparent. You can see it but not see it. Much better. Okay. All right. And I'm going to go back where the wheels are. Now I'll use my other brush. And I am going to bring some more white down in here. Because the snow, let me erase this up somewhat. And bring down the snow. Because it comes down all the way. Just going to dab it in there. And then I can build on it. I have my blocks, which I should have taken out to use first, but I don't want to stop to do that now. So I'm going to use this and rest it there. Okay. And then I'm going to sort of camouflage the edges of the track there, like the snow just went on it. Okay, let's try that. And of course I'll take care of the other part later. Okay. And I'm using a smaller brush so that I can control how the snow looks. I have that puffy kind of, the snow is not flat, it mounts here and there, so that it can be there when it's dry. It would give it that natural look. So that's where I am with this. It shows the snow. It's on the rocks, on the ground, so just blends in there. And I might build that up, you know, when it dries. I look at it again, just like I was doing over here, and I stopped. I was thinking of doing something else, but no, the snow falls, and that's where it is. It is what it is. Okay. All smooth and just, you know, like a track should be. Oh, it's onto the tree. Okay. On it, that's it for a while. And take another look at that. Then I am going to try and get some cloudiness of that steam, smoke, and I want it like a dry brush where you put the paint and you just keep doing it so it's not fluid when you go on the wheels here. I'm going to see if this is good enough to make like a circular motion, and I want to bring, and I might go over it, but I'm doing it to get a layout of where I'm going. Okay. Okay, that's forming what I want, and this will be so. I'll do it again. Pick it up from where I left off. Not enough paint. I'll start all over again and get it. I don't want it to be wet, so it goes on like I'm painting. It's more a dry brushing, and by that I mean, as I said, dip the brush in the paint and keep dabbing at it, you know, in a circular motion to take out most of it, so when you put it on the canvas, it's a dry brush feeling. See? And you would know if you do it, and see, this is a little more than I had before, so it goes like that. And I'm just going to do that to see if I get the effect that I want. And yeah, that's coming along. That's definitely coming along. And it just brush back up there. Okay, it's getting there. Okay, let's see what I have. I think what I'd like to do is to get some more blue and bring it down the hill, just a tad more, and not make it the black so prominent right there. So let's see, with a little white, so I don't want it to be too blue. I want it to blend in with what I already have. I am mixing a little white with a little blue, that down somewhat. Not make it so prevalent because I really don't like the gray there anymore. I think I like the blue. Plus blue is one of my favorite colors. So I am just going to take it out because I don't like it anymore. And I'm going to let it stroll down. We're strolling down the road. And I'm going to even do one better. I'm going to let it be a little darker on the top, coming down. And now that I've gotten that, then I'm just going to put a little white in the middle so it breaks it up, because nothing is a solid. Nature isn't like that. It comes with something else. Okay. So here we go. And it's coming from behind the tree. So it gives it a different effect. Okay, I'm going to stop that for